everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy, and this is Shashikant Badak, your geography teacher. In the previous video, we have discussed about the lesson number 2, 10th State Board, subject geography, location and extent. We have discussed about the Brazil and India's basic information in the part 1. In this part 2, we will going to discuss the location and extent, neighboring countries, all that thing in the part 2. So let's begin. See students, here is the Brazil countries map. Brazil, name of the country, Federative of Brazil. Name of the capital, Brasilia. Here you have to see the exactly location of Brasilia, which is the capital of Brazil. Here is the world map. So in the world map, see the location, extent and boundaries of Brazil. So some part of Brazil lies in the north hemisphere, and while the most of lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay, let's see student. See students, equator passes through here. You have to see, here is the equator, 0 degree Celsius or 0 degree, and this uppermost part lies in the, here is the north hemisphere, and here is the below the south hemisphere. So here you have to see student, these parts, I am bordering these parts, these north Brazil parts lies in a north hemisphere. Approximately it's 5 degree up to the 5 degree extent in north hemisphere, whereas you can see the maximum parts, see here I am bordering the Brazil southern parts, which is lies into the southern hemisphere. So these maximum parts of Brazil lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay, let's move to the next point. And also it lies in the western hemisphere, northern part of the South America continent. So 2 points we have to cover here. First of all, it lies in the western hemisphere. So here you have to see students, here is the 0 main meridian, which is known as the GMT, Greenwich meridian, GMT. Okay, so it is also known as the Greenwich meridian time or main meridian. So according to the meridian, here you have to see these parts known as the east hemisphere, whereas this part is known as the west hemisphere. So according to the east and west hemisphere, Brazil lies in the western hemisphere, and in the northern part of the South American continent. So here is the South America continent, and you can see in the South America continents, it lies in almost in north direction. So here is our country Brazil. So Brazil lies in north direction of America continents. Okay, let's move to the next point. Here is the political map of Brazil, and we with this map will find the extent of mainland Brazil. Fill in the degrees values. Okay, so here student you can see a dash dash degree 15 minute north, 2 dash dash degree 45 minute south latitude. So it's latitudinal extent of Brazil. Will find out the latitudinal extent, and after that the dash dash degree 45 minute west 2 dash dash degree 48 minute longitudes means here we have to find out the Brazil latitudinal and longitudinal extent. So first we'll going to see the latitudinal extent of Brazil. So here 5 degree 15 minute north. Student, see here, just recently we talk about the Brazil north part lies in the north hemisphere. So here is the equator, and here you have to see the northern part of the Brazil lies in the north direction. That's why you can see here is the north. So it lies up to, or its extent up to the 5 degree and 15 minute north. Why not? Because it lies in the north hemisphere, means this much parts lies in the north hemisphere. Then 2 33 degree 48 minutes south. So why 48 degree 33 degree 48 minutes south? Because these parts lies in the southern hemisphere, that's why, and it lies up to the, here you have to see, here is the 33 degree 48 minutes south. So the Brazil latitudinal extent is 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 48 minute south. Okay, let's move to the longitudinal extent. So let's see the longitudinal extent. Longitudinally, again recently we have seen longitudinally Brazil lies in the west hemisphere. So it lies to the western of the Greenwich meridian time or the main meridian. So that's why it's known as the western. So we'll going to calculate from the here 34 degree 45 minute west. This here, this is the southernmost, here is the western parts of Brazil. It lies to the 34 degree 45 minute west. Western parts means which is lies to the western direction in main meridian. So that's why I am just said the western parts, actually it's eastern parts. So 34 degree 45 minute west, or why west, just I told you, because Brazil longitudinally Brazil lies, if we divide the vertically earth into the two parts from the zero meridian, so Brazil lies in the west, that's why here is the west. So 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree means here you have to see the 73 degree 48 minute west, and here is again west because it lies in the west hemisphere. So hope you understood, student, the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Brazil. Once again I am going to tell you the latitudinal longitudinal extent of Brazil. See student, 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 48 minute south longitude, and 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitude. So it's a extent, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Brazil. Okay, make a friends with map. So here we have to study the neighboring countries and oceans of the Brazil. So let's see. First of all, we'll see the, here is the direction and neighboring countries and the ocean. So first of all, we'll going to see at the north direction. So here you have to see, student, the French Guiana. Here is the French Guiana lies at the north direction of the Brazil, followed by the Suriname, then the Guyana and the Venezuela. So these countries exactly lies to the north direction of Brazil. Let's move to the next direction. We'll move to the west. So the westward you can see the Colombia, then the Peru, then Bolivia, and the Paraguay. These are the countries lies to the west direction of Brazil. Let's move to the next, that is the south. So south, here you have to see the Argentina lies at the south direction, whereas the Uruguay also lies in the south direction. So last, east direction or the eastward. So eastward, here you have to see the two main oceans. First of all, here you have to see the North Atlantic Ocean and the South Atlantic Ocean. These both oceans lie to the east direction of Brazil. So hope student you understood the latitudinal and longitudinal extent and location of Brazil. So thank you very much.